Everyone, please open page number 26. हाँ जी. Color the foods that would provide the following nutrients: carbohydrate rich foods. Which are the carbohydrate rich foods over here? Tell me the carbohydrate rich foods. Bread. Fruits are not rich in carbohydrates. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. हाँ, चपाती और ब्रेड. दाल. Rice. You will color these three things with the red. Next, protein rich foods. Color them with the green. Which are the protein rich foods over here? Eggs. Meat. Fish is there. Color them with the green. Third one, roughage rich foods. Yes, fruits. Color them with blue. Understood, everyone? Okay. Now come to true false. We can stay healthy by just eating carbohydrate and protein rich foods daily. False. Why it is false? Very good. First is false. You have to write, you have to correct the statement also. We can stay healthy by by eating balanced diet. Yes. But it correct it in the sentence only. Suppose first is we can stay healthy by just eating carbohydrate and protein rich foods daily. But you have to cut over here. We can stay healthy by just eating carbohydrate and protein foods. कट इसको कट कर दो. वहां पे लिख दो balanced diet daily. Getting my point? Okay. Number 2, proteins are needed in small amounts for normal functioning of the body. False. In place of proteins, what will you write? Very good. Vitamins and minerals, they are required in very small amount. Third one, vitamins act as the medium for transport of nutrients inside our body. False. What? How will you correct it? Not rubber is better. In place of vitamins, write water. Water is the medium. Rudra Kansal, have you written? Okay. Has everyone written? Wait. I'm waiting, right? Written? Okay, now today come to next topic, that is diseases. Do you know what are diseases? Now the season is of diseases going on. People are catching most of the diseases in this season. Okay, look in your books. A disease is a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition. Diseases can occur because of improper diet, lack of rest or exercise, or lack of cleanliness. Now, what is a disease? It is a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition. Suppose any part of your body is not working properly, means your digestive system is not working properly. It means that you are suffering from some disease. Your respiratory system is not working properly. It is not in a proper condition. It means you are suffering from any disease related to the respiratory system. Now, what is a disease? It is a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition. कोई भी पार्ट आपकी बॉडी का या कोई भी सिस्टम आपकी बॉडी का हेल्दी कंडीशन में नहीं है, इट मीन्स दैट इज अ डिजीज. इट मीन्स यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ डिजीज. नाउ व्हाट आर द रीजंस ऑफ occurrence of diseases? Why diseases take place? Why they occur? They occur due to improper diet, means you are not taking balanced diet. This is the first reason. Lack of exercise, lack of rest. Anything else? Yes, lack of cleanliness means your surrounding is not clean. You are not inhaling the fresh air. That is why you are getting the diseases. Diseases are going to catch you. So these are the reasons why we catch diseases. Suppose we are taking diet that may be deficient, that may do not have carbohydrates or proteins, but other nutrients are present. But you should take a balanced diet in which all the nutrients are present. किसी डाइट में आपको एक मिसिंग होगा न्यूट्रिएंट, तो वो ले रहे हो आप डाइट, तो इट मीन्स कुछ कोई ना कोई डिजीज आपको कैच कर सकती है. Means you are not taking balanced diet. Lack of exercise, you are not doing exercise properly. You are working for the whole day and not taking a rest for a single minute. You are not a machine. Your body needs rest. So rest is must. Lack of cleanliness. You are not washing your hands before and after meals. You are not brushing your teeth. Your surrounding is not clean. So these are the reasons that why the diseases come and catch you. However, diseases can also occur because of other reasons. In general, diseases are two types, non-communicable and communicable. Diseases, they can occur due to other reasons also. Except these reasons, other reasons can also be there. Now, there are two types of diseases mainly. Non-communicable and communicable. Now let's read about first non-communicable diseases. What are non-communicable diseases? Non-communicable diseases are those that do not spread from one person to another. Some of the non-communicable diseases are caused because of the deficiency of a particular food component, also called nutrient. These are called deficiency diseases. Some deficiency diseases are listed in table 2.2. Non-communicable diseases are those diseases that do not spread from one person to another. Suppose you are suffering from fever. Your fever can spread to other person? It can go to other person? अच्छा, आपको फीवर है तो फीवर दूसरे पर्सन को हो सकता है? हाउ? हाउ? बेटे, फीवर कैन नॉट स्प्रेड फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर. You are talking it. I think you are thinking about coronavirus. Are you okay? Is it? Coronavirus. In coronavirus, people get fever. People suffer from fever because it is a viral disease. Virus spread from one person to another. First, the symptoms of cough and sneezing they come. Then fever takes place. अगर आपको ओनली फीवर है तो फीवर एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन को हो सकता है? नो, फीवर कैन नॉट स्प्रेड फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर. इट इज अ नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज. टेल मी एनी अदर डिजीज दैट कैन नॉट स्प्रेड फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर. Better please check your connection, network connection. Cold and cough, they spread from one person to another. Yes, diabetes is right. Tulip, sugar. Diabetes is a non-communicable disease. It cannot spread from one person to another. Yes, bete. Stomach ache, headache. So the diseases that cannot spread from one person to another, they are called as non-communicable diseases. These diseases occur due to some deficiency of nutrients in your food. Yes? No, it takes time for the vaccination to come. Like now, corona. First, there was no medicine for this. Are you asking about corona? First, there was no medicine of this corona, but now scientists, they have made the vaccination. They have made the vaccine for this disease, but it takes time. Okay? Non-communicable diseases, they occur due to the deficiency of any nutrient in your food. Deficiency. Do you know what do you mean by deficiency? Yes, deficiency, shortage, lack of. That is called deficiency. When something is missing in your diet, that is called its deficiency. Suppose you are taking a diet in which all the three nutrients are present. Carbohydrate is there, protein, fat, vitamins, but minerals are not there. So which nutrient is deficient over here? Mineral. It is deficient. It is lacking. It is missing. So then you can catch the non-communicable diseases. So non-communicable diseases can only occur when your diet is not proper, when your diet is deficient in any component of food. These are also called as deficiency diseases. Second name given to non-communicable diseases is deficiency diseases. Right, bete? No, cough is a communicable. Yes. So there is a table given to you in which name of the diseases is given, caused by the lack of, how this disease is caused, by the shortage of which nutrient, and in the third column, foods that contain the vitamin or mineral. In the third column, foods are given in which that missing mineral or vitamin is present. Suppose your first disease is night blindness. Have you heard about this disease, night blindness? Night blindness is a disease. हाँ जी. Night blindness is a disease in which you have problem in seeing at night time. You cannot see properly during the night. That is night blindness. It cannot spread from one person to another. It is it is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin A. So the people who suffer from night blindness, they should eat food that are rich in vitamin A. Which are the foods rich in vitamin A? Green leafy vegetables, papaya, carrot, mango, milk, butter, and egg yolk. So if anyone is suffering from this disease, he or she should eat this food items. Next is beriberi. Beriberi is a disease. Hiten, sit properly. Beriberi is a disease in which there is a loss of feeling in your hands and your feet. Yes? Who? Mayank, would you please check connection? Everyone is hearing properly. My voice is already clear. Okay. There might be some problem in the network. Okay, bete. Beriberi is a disease in which you have loss of feeling in your hands and feet. Numbness. Numbness. Have you heard the word numbness? Sunapan. Sunapan. When you don't feel anything, that is numbness. Your hands and feet, they become numb. You cannot feel anything. Feeling ही नहीं आती. If someone touches you, then you can't feel कि आपको कोई touch कर रहा है. That is numbness. So this is a disease in which there is a loss of feeling in the hands and the feet. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B1, and it can be cured due to the food items or when you eat the food items like milk, peas, cereals, and green leafy vegetables. Next is scurvy. Scurvy is gum bleeding. When your gums or teeth they start bleeding. During brushing, some people they have gum bleeding. That is scurvy. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C, and you should eat amla, orange, lemon, tomato, any citrus fruit if you want to cure this disease. Yes. Yes, Fateh. What is? Bleeding means when blood start coming. That is bleeding. हाँ सिमरन. Scurvy is a yes, but it is dangerous if it is not cured at a time. It can lead to other disease. Huh? Simran, speak now. I'm not able to hear your voice. Okay. Scurvy is not a dangerous, so much dangerous, but it is it can become dangerous if it is not cured. If you are not curing, if we are not getting proper treatment, it can lead to the infection of your mouth. And due to infection, it can cause any other disease that may be dangerous. Okay. Next is rickets. Rickets is a disease in which the bones and the joints they become weak. Your bones they become thin, weak, बहुत ज्यादा वीक हो जाती हैं. आपकी लेग्स हैं, जो आपकी आर्म्स हैं, वो बहुत ज्यादा पतली हो जाती हैं. You become very lean, thin, and can't walk properly also. That is rickets. It is due to the deficiency of vitamin D in your diet. You have to take milk products, and you have to take sunlight. You will have to sit in sunlight if you are suffering from rickets. सनलाइट में सबसे ज्यादा विटामिन डी होता है. नेक्स्ट इज गोइटर. गोइटर इज योर एनलार्जमेंट ऑफ द थ्रोट. जब आपकी ये थ्रोट है वो इतना बाहर आ जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा हो जाता है, दैट इज गोइटर. यू मस्ट हैव सीन पीपल सफरिंग फ्रॉम गोइटर इन टीवी. हाँ, गोइटर इज कॉज ड्यू टू द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयोडीन. If you are taking less iodine, so you should take iodized salt, eat cranberries and seafood. More of the salt in your diet. Salt intake should be more. क्या दिखाते हैं? Yes. तब क्या दिखाते हैं? I am not getting your point. What are you asking? No. Due to smoking, respiratory diseases takes place. Smoking से तो respiratory diseases होंगी. This is enlargement of your throat. आपकी जो सारा जो neck है वो आपका पूरा swelling हो जाएगी, बाहर को आ जाता है. It becomes very much large. हाँ. Next, anemia. Anemia is loss of blood, loss of hemoglobin. Have you heard the word hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a red colored pigment that is present in your blood. This pigment is present in your blood, that is why your blood is red in color. If you have loss of hemoglobin in the blood, then you will suffer from anemia. The main symptoms of this disease, you have pale color. पीलापन आ जाता है आपके ऊपर. Yes, you look very weak and pale due to the loss of hemoglobin in your blood, and it is called as anemia. Yes, Prisha? हाँ, tiredness, weakness. So it is caused due to the lack of iron in your diet. Iron is a mineral. You can improve your diet that is rich in iron. Main, you should eat green leafy vegetables. Eat spinach. Spinach has much quantity of this iron. Eat apple, brinjal, guava and meat if you want to cure anemia. Any problem, any query related to these diseases? Okay. Okay, 10 minutes are left. Let's complete this topic. Observe the picture given below to find out more about other non-communicable diseases. There are three persons sitting over here at the rest bench outside, and they are suffering from some non-communicable disease. Let's see from which disease they are suffering. First one is Mohan. Mohan just can't stop sneezing. Some people are very sensitive to dust or certain other substances. such as foods, drugs, and sometimes animals. Exposure to such substances often make these people ill, causing sneezing, itching, and rashes. This condition is called allergy. The first person, he can't stop sneezing. He is sneezing continuously. Why? Because he is sensitive to any substance. He must be sensitive to the dust because one person is brooming over there. He must be sensitive to other foods or drugs or sometimes any other animals. But he is sitting outside, he is sitting near the sweeper, so he must be sensitive to the dust. So that is why he is sneezing. This condition is called allergy. When you are sensitive to any substance, that is called allergy. Some people, they are sensitive to wheat. They can't eat wheat flour. They can't eat chapati made from the wheat. So they have allergy to the wheat. They eat chapati made up of gram or some other cereal. This is a non-communicable disease. This cannot be transferred from one. आपको किसी चीज से एलर्जी है तो वो किसी और पर्सन, आपके साथ वाले पर्सन को वो सेम हो सकती है? No, it cannot spread. So it is a non-communicable disease. Number 2, look how pale and weak Satish looks. He probably suffers from anemia. A person suffering from anemia looks pale and gets tired easily. Deficiency of iron in the body can lead to anemia. Now the second person, he is very lean and looking pale. These are the symptoms of which disease? Paleness and anemia. He must be suffering from anemia. He must be eating the diet that is deficient in iron. So that is also a non-communicable disease. Third is Bunty eats lots of ice cream, butter, and oily foods. Excess intake of fatty foods can cause obesity. Do you know what is obesity? What is obesity? Fatness. When you become fat, that is called you have become obese. It means you have become obese. Obese means mota. Obese people are more likely to suffer from heart diseases and diabetes. So the third person who is sitting, he likes to eat ice creams and junk foods. He eats a lot of junk foods and ice creams, and it can cause obesity because excess of fat he is taking. That is why he is fat or he is obese. And the fatness or the obesity can lead to the heart diseases or diabetes. So heart diseases and diabetes, they can also not spread from one person to another. So they are also called the non-communicable diseases. So all the three persons who are sitting, they are suffering from the non-communicable diseases. Any query regarding these diseases? Yes, bete? Huh? First person, about the first person. First person is sitting, he is sneezing continuously. Why he is sneezing? He must be sensitive to some substance because he is sitting near the sweeper. One person is brooming near him. He must be sensitive to the dust. वो सेंसिटिव है, डस्ट की वजह से वो स्नीजिंग हो सकती है. Some people, they are sensitive to some other substances. Some people, they start sneezing when they come near the animals. Some people, they start sneezing when they eat some food items. This condition is called allergy. Allergy is also a non-communicable disease. Got it, Drishti? Okay, but let me take attendance first. Go through it, read it, whatever we have read today. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.